The CarPass Bling Diamond Gray seat covers wrap the seats in soft gray synthetic leather accented with sparkling rhinestones, giving the interior an elegant, feminine look without feeling cheap or gaudy. The quilted, padded construction and smooth surface add noticeable comfort on longer drives, while also shielding the original upholstery from everyday wear, pet hair, and accidental spills. These covers are designed with a broadly compatible shape and adjustable headrest openings, so they work with most sedans, sport utility vehicles, and trucks that have removable headrests. Thoughtful zipper placements along the front and rear sections allow the covers to work with many factory armrests and split rear benches, so you do not have to sacrifice practicality for style. The water-resistant backing and grippy underside help the covers stay in place during driving, reducing sliding and bunching that can be common with flimsier options. Installation is straightforward with the included instructions, and once fitted, the full set creates a coordinated, glittery cabin that especially appeals to drivers who enjoy a cute, personalized interior.